What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to give a huge shout out to everyone that actually watched my first video. Cringe, I know. But thank you, I appreciate it. Anyone that showed out love. Also shout out to my boy Luis with a sick ass Mazda 3. He asked for a shout out. There's your shout out. Anyways, what I got planned for you guys today is an engine detail video on my RSX, of course. And as you guys can see, it's a pretty dirty engine bay right here. Ever since I've owned the car, I have never washed the engine bay. All you need is your off-the-shelf cleaning products from Canadian Tire, Walmart, shit, Part Source. I don't know where you're from. This is Canada, Canada. This is what we have here. So what we're going to be using today is a Motomaster multi-purpose cleaner, Degreaser. What we're going to be using next is this Chemical Guys dressing, just to finish it off, give it a nice finish after we're done cleaning it. And very important, you're going to need a detailing brush to get into those nooks and crannies. So that's it. Just these three things is all you're really going to need. You probably don't even need the detailer, but it's just to make it look nice and fancy. Alright, so the first thing we'll be doing, what you want to do is you're going to have to cover the very important electrical stuff like your battery. Some people like to remove that. I'm just probably going to cover it. Next, intake. If you have an airbox, stock airbox, you should be good, but because I got an intake, I'm going to have to block that off over there. Next thing you want to make sure to cover up is your alternator. That's very important. My alternator happens to be right there, so I'm going to cover that up, make sure it's okay, and that's generally it. I also got HIDs, which will be getting covered up. So as you can see, we have all the important stuff blocked off, covered, just in case of the water damage. You got your battery, my intake. I got over here my alternator and my HID ballasts. So now we're going to start to get into the nitty gritty. Now, after spraying down the whole car, what you want to do is take your degreaser, spray it. First, you want to spray it on the hood of the vehicle. So you want to get everywhere you possibly can that's dirty. You want to spray here. Get all that gunk right off. Then the next place you want to spray is your engine bay. Get all the nooks and crannies, all those fun places. You want to just give it a nice soak, spray down of degreaser. Let it sit for a few minutes. Afterwards, what you're going to do is go to your engine detailing brush, and you're just going to hit all the small places. And if you see like you missed any places, grab that degreaser and hit that. Just keep going at it. So once everything has been sprayed, brushed down, and you cleaned all the nooks and crannies, you want to give it a hit of the spray. Try not to sit in one spot for too long. Just spray right over it. Get everything. Start off with the hood, and you're going to work your way down to the engine bay. Try not to sit in one spot, as I said, spraying, because that could be very bad, detrimental to your engine. Let's get that. Alright, so the next thing you want to do after spraying everything down, take your microfiber cloth and just give it a nice wipe down, dry everything. You do have the option of just letting it air dry. Up to you. Choice is yours. Alright, so now that you've wiped everything down, it's kind of dry, you can hit it with the finish. You know, a nice detailer to give it a nice shine, let it, you know, look beautiful. Let's do this. Now that you've wiped everything down, dried it off, this is what you should end up looking like. A nice clean engine bay, much better than how we started. It's not perfect, my car is pretty old, but this is a lot better, as you can see. Something very important to remember if you live in very harsh weathers where you get a lot of snow and there's going to be salt on the roads, very important is cleaning your engine bay, because a lot of that dirt, gunk, salt stuff gets in your engine bay. So cleaning it will prevent rust, any, you know, big issues. So it's very important to do this, and it's quick and easy. Just do it. Just do it for your car. Now that the engine bay is all clean, looking pristine and beautiful, I do got a few little mods to install on this car. Just something very small, now that the engine bay is clean. Finishing touches, hit him with that mucus. Alright, throw it down here. Bam! I swear to God, we got this on the first try. Let's get that right in the middle. Right, that is it. That is it right here. We got it. Money, baby. Yeah. Some of that Mugen power. JK. Bam. Alright, guys. So I really hope you guys learned something from this video, enjoyed it. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, or hit that like button if you like this video, or dislike it. But I don't know, it's up to you guys. Take care. What is up, guys? It's your boy. Oh my god, shit! What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you. Oh, fuck! So, safety first.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Okay. What? Shout out to Kev for getting that shit in. Not this Kev. Man behind the camera. Oh my god.